Alright guys, so this is basically just me testing my camera, my new GoPro 9 Hero Black. So what I'm going to do is just do a quick start on a car wash. Dump a little bit of this. This is just some cheapo Rain-X car wash I got. Dump some of that in there, and then I'll get started on this, filling it up. Grab my hose. Seems so if that'll stay there, I'll go grab my wash brush. So let's see here. This is the wash brush I like to use, and looks like it's seen better days, but I think it'll be fine. Just washing my truck, you know. I should like to just kind of blow out the bristles on it a little bit. Make sure there's no big rocks or anything in there. It's cold out here today, you guys. Okay. While that's filling up, I'm going to check, make sure all my windows are up. And the back one is looking good. Let's see here. We'll go check this side. Driver's side is good. Alright, that's looking good. Alright guys, so now what I'm going to do is just give the old truck a quick rinse down. I've had a lot of rain lately, and we actually had a few landslides on the back road I was running yesterday, and so I had to go through those. So I just rinse off some of the little bit of gravel and stuff that's on the sides. I like to rinse off as much of anything that might get caught in the wash brush. Might be so I don't sit there and just scratch it around on the rest of the paint while I'm washing. Alright. Oh, this side's pretty bad. Okay. I got a lot of gravel over here. It's not as much gravel as kind of like, I don't know, sand. Mostly sand, I suppose. But anyway guys, this is not really a video on how to wash your vehicle. This is more of a video just to see how my camera gear works. And my mic, I got this wireless mic, so I'm just testing it out as well. But why not give it a shot and see what I can do here with the equipment, my new video equipment. And see how the video turns out. I have never used GoPro before for my videos. And it took me a while to save up enough money to buy one. They're not cheap. Anyway, today's kind of a good day to wash cars in a way, because of washing cars in direct sunlight, especially a dark color like this. It dries really fast, and that's not good. So anyway, you can see I just like to start at the top, and I just basically, this is what I do. Start at the top and work my way down. Get up in this area real good. Alright. And I'll come down, you know, about to, you know, I'll pick a body panel. When it's hot out, I go a lot faster, but you end up missing stuff. But yeah, this is kind of nice because just take my time. I think it's like 50 degrees out right now, so get up in there. Alright, so there's that. And you can flip the windshield wipers up if you want. I'm gonna go ahead and do that this time. And then I'll wipe the windshield wipers down with a rag. But yeah, I like to get good down in here where the windshield wipers sit, and then down in there. All right. So that's pretty much it. That's like half the roof. Just sit that guy up there. Now I'll do this half. Now if you don't have your tonneau cover on, you can climb in the back of the truck and get the roof a lot easier. This works pretty good for winter time. Alright. And now I'll go around my doors and my door windows real quick here on the driver's side. Get around my mirror. On the underside. Do the rest of my windshield. I like to see pretty good, so do extra good on my windows. All right, go ahead and hit the back window right now too, but since it really isn't drying very fast, so it gives me a lot more time to do some scrubbing in between the time when I rinse. All right, so let's go ahead and give her a rinse, and then I'll do the hood, the tonneau cover, and then I'll start working on the grill, and then I do the tires last. But anyway, guys, that's just my my test on my camera gear. So thanks for watching. I know you guys know how to wash a car, but thank you.